Welcome to the how-to video for the PTX-TAB, also called PTX Bluetooth in other places. To get the software, navigate to ATStargets.com. In the upper right, you will see the three lines. Click on that and then select Downloads. From Downloads, we are going to scroll down to Software. And in this case, we're going to install Android PTX-600 software. So click on that. You may need a password for this. If you are in need of the password, please call ATS Targets at 651-429-8091 and we will get that to you. So go ahead and allow it to download and click Open. So many Android devices, installation of new software is blocked, so just click on Settings and that will take us to the security menu where we can click on the Unknown Sources lever and go ahead and allow that temporarily, and now we can install the software. Installation will take just a couple of minutes. Once installed, click on Apps and then you can drag that software onto your desktop for easy access later. Go ahead and open it. Turn on the on switch for your sending device, the PTX-TAB sending device. Here we are ensuring that we are on the correct version of Android. You really only need to do this if you are in a situation where you have an older Android device. Any of the newer phones or tablets are going to work just fine. Click on PTX-EZ, and as you can see, we do not have our unit paired, so we need to go into Settings and pair the device. This will only need to be done once on any given device. So we go out to Settings, down to Bluetooth, and just wait it might take a couple of minutes for the ATS_PTX to show up. When it does, go ahead and just click on it. The pin is 1234, which is common for lots of Bluetooth devices, and we are now paired. We can go back to the PTX-TAB software, click on the upper corner for the Bluetooth connection and reconnect it, and we are good to go. So you can see across the top you got these pull down menus that say all. If you touch any one of those, you're able to change that to a specific target number. For instance, target 1, and we'll make this one target 4. This could be group 1, or we can just in this case say all target 1 and target 2. Then we have the ability to send commands for down, foe, down on target 1, friend on target 2, and etc. In the event that we want to record a sequence of events, we can click on the record button, and it is now essentially memorizing what we press and the timings with which we press them. So we said all down, we wait a couple of seconds, the record indicator is blinking at a 1 second interval, and now foe, and let's do one other command here, friend, and down, and stop. Now we can simply press play, and it's going to go through that sequence of events in the timings that we ran them. So play around a little bit with that, but it gives you lots of opportunities with just quick little programs you can do on the fly while you're out at the range. If you want to repeat it, just click on the repeat symbol, and it's going to loop through that indefinitely. See, it started back at the beginning again. turn it off and it'll just finish out, or we can stop it. Alright, now going to the PTX Classic menu, essentially gives us the keypad for the PTX 600 or PTX 200 that has been around for many years. It's part of our product offering. Gives you the exact same capabilities, although with a little bit extra ease of use. So here we can click target 1, friend, edge, foe, just like the old legacy product. If we click 52 or 052, we can now operate target 52. Again, just like the PTX 600 or 200 device. Clicking learn, if you flip the power switch off and on any given target, it will communicate with it and give you the opportunity to set settings, find serial numbers, power levels, that kind of thing. As you can see, it timed out. I do not have a target near me here, so but that's generally how that works. Again, just like the PTX 600. You can also, again, you can set different parameters on a specific target and communicate with that target just like you would on a PTX 600 or 200. Another opportunity in this software is to create programs. We will create a new program here, and we're going to call that Rifle 1. So OK. Takes us to the programming menu. Let's give this one 20 seconds. This can be adjusted later. And let's set up 10 targets on this particular program. Click the checkbox up in the upper right. That takes us on to the programming menu. Now here you can see we have columns, all, target 1, 2, 3, and so on. Again, all will activate all. Let's set at the initial outset foe for all targets. And then we can move down to, let's say, 5 and make all of them edge. And then let's do something a little different. Let's make targets 1 through 5 go to foe. Again, just double tap on any given target sequence. And targets, scroll sideways with your finger. Targets 6 and on, we're going to make friend. And then at the very end of the program, let's send everything down. You can save this by clicking the save button at the top. We want to be sure and we click off of the sequence. Do not want to have one of these cells highlighted. Click off of it, tap anywhere in the white space below, and save it with the upper right. And then the play button at the top takes us into the play menu. You just simply hit the play button, and as you can see, our targets are going to move each time the sequence transmits. If we want to edit it, click the edit button. That takes us right back into the programming sequence where we can make whatever modifications we want. Back arrow is going to take us back to the classic mode, and the home button takes us back to the intro screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, call us at 651-429-8091.